I've pulled the RF board out of the TS-530 to have a closer look, and this is the marker board, I think. Connection 4, the actual connector completely melted. So there's been some heat go through there, and you can see as a result we've got a pretty fried looking ceramic capacitor, resistor, maybe that diode there, and maybe R2 as well. So those are all up for replacement for sure and certain. The connector itself looks alright. On the reverse of the board, because that's what I was really worried about, tracks. And there we are. That doesn't look too bad, so I think that's the area right there. But that looks okay. So we'll press on, replace those components, and see where we stand after that.